Hi folks, Lamar Davis over here at Country Chevrolet in Benton, Kentucky, and fresh off the delivery truck and just now hitting the lot. It's a brand new 2019 GMC Sierra Denali with the 6.2 liter V8, and this little baby is loaded. Heated and cooled front perforated seats, remote start, keyless entry, push button ignition, navigation, dual climate, lane departure, forward collision, power tailgate, Bluetooth cruise, heated steering wheel, four-wheel drive, trailer brake, and of course a sunroof. I mean, this thing is absolutely loaded. Memory seats for the driver, heated rear seats. Here's a feature that's new for 2019. Yeah, it's got a step built into the tailgate. Now, this little beauty is not going to last very long, folks. So come on down to Country Chevrolet in Benton, Kentucky, or feel free to call us here at 270-527-8671 today, folks.